Hey guys, good afternoon. This is GS Anand, mechanical engineer, MBA, yoga teacher, naturopath, Reiki grandmaster, fellow Insurance Institute of India, agency associate with Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company, and I want to say one story. Since I am a mechanical engineer, so my examples are also machine related. So I'll give you an example of a car which has got a four-stroke engine, and this car has got main the two parts. I'm taking only two parts. There are thousands of parts in this car assembly, so I'll be taking what? The piston and the cylinder. So this movement of piston inside the cylinder, one complete stroke, full length, is called one stroke, and there are four strokes in a four-stroke engine, and the strokes are namely suction strokes, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. Exhaust stroke में the fuel the gases after burned out, they go out, they are thrown out of the engine. This is exhaust. Suction, it sucks the air, and compression, it presses एयर को प्रेस करते हैं तो कंप्रेस कर देते हैं. एंड पावर स्ट्रोक में क्या होता है कि फ्यूल इज इंजेक्टेड एंड द पावर इज जनरेटेड which is used to run the engine. Now these three strokes are the power consuming strokes. What are those three strokes? The suction stroke, compression stroke, and the exhaust stroke. Here we need to consume power to complete the operation, whereas in power stroke the actual power is generated. Now what happens when once we start the engine, only one stroke is generating power, other three are consuming powers. In life also it happens like this. Life में क्या होता है, एक अर्निंग मेंबर होता है, वो कमा रहा होता है, उसकी इनकम आ रही होती है, और बाकी जो घर वाले हैं, other members of the family, they are consuming. Children are consuming, wife is consuming if it is not working, if it's a housewife. Parents are consuming because they are old age, they are not working, so expenditure on their roti kapda makan and medicines, travel, and all other routine expenses to maintain the lifestyle. So everybody is spending. Only one person who is the earning member, head of the family, he is the person who is earning. Like engine, what happens? There is a power stroke which is generating power, and here the bread earner who is earning money. So these two comparisons are simulating. You can equate power earning, power stroke, and the person earning the money for a family, head of the family. Now why I am telling this story is, the engine, when three strokes are consuming power, how do we balance it? If engine has to run smooth, it has to have some buffer sort of thing, which is flywheel, which stores energy and supplies during the idle strokes. Similarly, in head of the family, if it is earning, the earning is only at one place. The savings and the protection done in case the sudden demise of the earning member, then this life insurance comes into picture. What happens suddenly due to sickness or accident or sudden heart attack or sudden any unfortunate event, the head of the family goes, then this flywheel, which is the insurance, that comes into picture, and that supplies money to the nominee, and through that nominee the money is used to maintain the same standard of living. So it's very essential to have sufficient adequate insurance cover on the life of the earning member, so that in case he goes away suddenly due to any unforeseen circumstances, the family does not suffer. Family still maintains the same lifestyle due to this tragic incident. These days the COVID situation, the requirement of this protection has become all the more important because there is uncertainty. You never know when suddenly, the COVID cases, if you see these 60,000, 70,000 per day, the cases are coming, and out of that, deaths are also happening in thousands. Thousands of cases are dying every day. Now you just imagine if they are not insured and the person dies, the family is suffering because of the lack of finances, the lack of resources, and to protect all these eventualities, the life insurance is very essential for the earning member of the family. This is what in this small video I wanted to say, and I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer, I am MBA, I am a Reiki Grandmaster, I am a yoga teacher, I am a naturopath, I am fellow Insurance Institute of India, and I am agency associate with Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company, protecting the life of people and families. At the same time, I advise them to manage their funds in such a way that they can plan their expenses and their future plannings through financial health checkup, which I am doing free of cost. This is all for the day. Thank you. Bye.